Welcome to my channel फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश गेस्ट पेपर 2023। इस वीडियो में हम इम्पोर्टेंट लेटर्स, इम्पोर्टेंट स्टोरीज, इम्पोर्टेंट ट्रांसलेशन पैराग्राफ, क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स के बारे में बताएंगे। इम्पोर्टेंट लेसन फॉर ट्रांसलेशन एंड पंक्चुएशन। बटन बटन, क्लियरिंग इन द स्काई, थैंक यू मैम, अ पीस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग, द रिवॉर्ड, द गुलिस्तान ऑफ शादी, a foolish quick, I have dream. Important applications: your principal for library security refund, your principal character certificate, your principal for readmission, your principal for change subject. Application for your principal long leave due illness. Important letters your friend about choice profession, your friend condoling the death of his father, your father to increase monthly allowance, letter to your friend lending, letter your friend asking him to accompany to hill station. Important stories: all that glitters is not gold, union is strength, might is right, honesty is best policy, haste makes waste, as you sow, so shall you reap. Important translation lesson into Urdu. Lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 12. Important chapter book 1 for question answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13. Book 3 plays 1 or 2. Poems 1 to 10. English important pair of words listed below. Object, abstain, refrain, accept, access, adapt, adopt, addition, advice, affect, affection, allusion, alter, amicable, angel, ascent, bail, ballot, bear, barren, beach, beneficent, birth, besides, board, break, breathe, bridle, cannon, canvas, cast, seize, sell, censor, side, cloth, confident, cost, caste, counsel, cue, cure, heal, diary, dear, deceased, disease, deny, refuge, device, due, die, dose, drop, droop, doyle, eligible, ambient, umpire, empty, essential, necessary, expect, hope, fear, further, flee, fly, floor, foul, further, feather, gate, heel, idle, hue. Imaginary, imaginative, judicious, letter, lesson, liar, lawyer, lose, loss, male, marry, meet, medal, minor, poor, prey, principal, profit, quiet, rain, respectable, respectful, rude, road, root, side, sore, soul, stare, steal, story, team, temper, tanner, tenure, vein, whale, wine, vacation, waste, weight, week, weather, yoke. Important translation paragraph from lesson 1, button. They went into the living room. 2. The bell is connected to our office. 2. The package was lying by the front door. 2. She went inside and started dinner. Translation: I am saying that they are probably 2. They had killed somebody. Do you? While she was stacking dishes 2 and removing the glass dome, she started at the button 2. She thought angrily. She felt unreal as the voice to had, but could not stop. Translation: abruptly she began to The box was empty. Important translation paragraph from lesson 2, Cleaning in the Sky. I did not want to go with him to what the doctor had said. I could not protest to him to pasture and the meadow. Remember when we used to come so good to breathe? Suddenly he stepped at the edge to between him and the sun. Only twice did my father stop on the mountain top, 20 times in my life to 60 years and 10. I looked at the vast mountain as I did the first one. Now to look at the mountain slope, their tops together. From this mountain top, I looked for deep valley below. Oh yes, he said, to I was getting better all the time. Important translation paragraph from chapter 3, Dark the Weir and the Golden Eyed. The rocked metal cold to among his family, the man felt his hair, the mountain climbed. All chapter important paragraph you see in this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel.